Alright guys, this is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and today we're going to do the unboxing and a quick review of the WatchGang Black subscription for August 2018. The watch of the day for me is that Nautis that I received for my WatchGang Black subscription from July 2018. Quite honestly guys, this is only the second time I've worn this watch. It's a sharp looking watch. For whatever reason, I just can't get into it. I haven't been able to find a reason for it to get a lot of wrist time. You can see it still even has the blue plastic coating on the bracelet still. Second time I've worn it. If you guys are looking for one of these, reach out to me. I'll make you a deal on it because it's not getting any wrist time here, and I think it likely deserves to. If you guys have not seen any of my videos before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can follow us in the future. All right guys, let's tear into this WatchGang Black WatchGang Black subscription for August 2018. This month's Black subscription came in a big ass box from Redlands, California. So we'll tear into this guy, see what it is. Incidentally, I'm gonna go on the assumption there's not a whole lot of packing material in here because it's bouncing around in there. What do we have? Let's see here. There's a little bit of packing material, but nothing really to speak of. I mean, that's it in this big ass box. So as always, they have the WatchGang poster for August 2018. I'm sure you guys have seen this on other channels. The Watch Father, they're doing their movie parodies posters. And then on the back, all sorts of information. And one thing that I do like that they do is they put the winners of their Rolex Fridays, Seiko Saturdays, and Tag Tuesdays on there. Sad part is, I've never seen my name there, so my guess is that I won't, but that's okay. I know they're giving them out because my buddy over at Watchin', he won the Rolex on one of the Fridays. So if you guys did not check out that unboxing video of the Rolex that he won, go check that out over at Watchin's channel. But we don't care about that. Looks like we have a Charles Hutton. So we open this up. Cardboard box that I can't seem to figure out how to get open. Look at that. Looks like we have a chronograph with a stainless steel bracelet. Not too shabby. International warranty card. This is kind of interesting. Date of purchase, September 8th, 2018. September 8th, 2018 is the date of purchase on this warranty card. It's not September yet, so looks like we have a couple extra weeks on the warranty on this guy. Let me take a minute and get the plastic off this guy, take a look around it, and we will come back and check it out. All right, now that we've got the plastic off of this Charles Hutton and I've had a chance to take a look at it a little bit more, this is actually the Valiant model number 78467-11B. There's actually a whole bunch of different color combinations that they have, Charles Hutton has, of this watch, if you are interested in it. Sizing on this guy is 22 millimeters bracelet at the lug with a 44 millimeter case diameter. If we flip this guy over, there is a 5-link bracelet on this with Charles Hutton engraved right there on the buckle. There is micro adjustments right there in the buckle. One thing I will point out that kind of feels a little bit cheap is this buckle in this bracelet. The bracelet itself feels nice. The buckle feels kind of cheap and very, very thin metal. But the bracelet itself is nice. I don't think these are hollow links. This is a quartz watch, quartz chronograph. Now, what's interesting about this is not very typical to chronograph functionality. The second hand is actually acting as a second hand, and then if you press the top pusher, you can see the subdials now acting as the chronograph function. Now, one thing you'll take a look at on here, it might be hard to see on video a little bit, but that 12 o'clock dial that appears to be counting off fractions of a second, that hand is a little bit wobbly. And guys, it's not just me. I know I'm wobbly in general, but that hand does seem a little bit wobbly. The other thing I'll point out is as you're watching the second hand go around, you can see that second hand is just not quite aligned all that great on this Charles Hutton. It's especially noticeable if I pull out the crown, if I can do this without causing too much of a headache for myself. If I can pull out the crown. All right, there we go, right there at that 12 o'clock position. You can see it's off just a little bit. If we put it back in, that second hand goes in and out of whack a little bit with those second indices. These do have rose gold plated indices for the hour marks. The hands and the ring around those subdials are rose gold plated also. They have what they call a CD texture for those subdials, the inner part of those subdials, and then the blue dial on the back of this. Quite honestly, I'm not hugely impressed with it. I do think it's a sharp looking fashion watch, but I don't know. It just feels kind of cheap. It is something that, you know, for $100 isn't bad. I personally would not pay more than $100 for this watch, most likely. This watch is going for a retail price of $285 on CharlesHuttonWatches.com, their website. I did see one on eBay that somebody has posted up, which is likely a subscription watch. They have it posted up at $185 or best offer, but I personally would not spend that on this watch. It does have a pretty neat design on the back there. I'll get some close-up pictures of this in the end, but I'm going to go on the assumption that's a mineral crystal as well. Didn't even bother to look too closely. Sharp-looking fashion watch, polished case, stainless steel bracelet, thin plastic on this double fold-over clasp buckle. But there it is. That is the Charles Hutton that I received for my WatchGang Black subscription for August 2018. Now, incidentally, guys, typically what I do is each month I normally get at least a WatchGang Black and at least a WatchGang Platinum. Last month I ended up getting 2 WatchGang Platinum subscriptions just because I wanted to for the heck of it. And this month I actually opted to skip my Platinum subscription because if anybody remembers what I got for WatchGang Platinum last month, I received that Dreyfus that I fought with the bracelet on. But guys, guess what? Take a look at what I got for my other WatchGang Platinum subscription watch for last month. Gold case, leather strap. This guy did not meet my preferences, so I did not even do a video on it. After that first Dreyfus, I was pretty annoyed. And so I got this one also last month. If you guys like gold, if you're interested in a Dreyfus with a leather strap, automatic, definitely reach out to me. I'll make you a deal on this guy. Can be yours. Anyway, guys, that's it. That's the Charles Hutton chronograph that I received for my WatchGang Black subscription for August 2018. If you guys want to see this watch on my wrist, you can follow us at Instagram/watchaddiction.us. Chances are you'll only see it on once or twice, and then I will likely pass this guy on or not keep it in my collection, whatever I decide to do. Nevertheless, guys, thanks for sticking around. If you come back towards the end of the week, I have something actually pretty interesting for you guys. It is a new watch in from a micro-brand company that I have reviewed on this channel before, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. So definitely check it back out when I come back on Friday. All right, guys, I am going to get out of here. Have a great week, and we will see you on Friday.